You do not need a viral tech app, venture capital backing, or a rich relative to make your first $100,000. The most realistic path starts with an old piece of equipment sitting right now in your garage and a willingness to do a few hours of dirty work on a Saturday morning. The biggest barrier most people face when trying to build their net worth is relying entirely on a single primary salary. To widen the gap between what you earn and what you keep, the immediate instinct is to subtract. You audit your bank statements, cancel unused digital subscriptions, and skip the daily coffee. This animated diagram illustrates the mathematical flaw in that strategy. It shows a descending bar chart of monthly expenses dropping lower and lower until it hits a solid, glowing baseline labeled fixed costs. You physically cannot cut your living expenses below this line. To really accelerate your net worth, you have to shift your focus from cutting costs to introducing a completely new mathematical variable to your personal economy. You need a fast, immediate way to turn on a secondary income faucet by using a simple, low-barrier side hustle. True financial momentum requires you to stop agonizing over pennies saved and start systematically adding new revenue streams to your life. Let's look at the exact arithmetic of a real-world case study. A worker decided to skip writing a complex business plan and simply took an old pressure washer to clean driveways in his neighborhood. He kept his pricing model incredibly simple, a flat fee of exactly $40 per driveway. By knocking out 4 jobs on a Saturday morning, the math gives exactly $160. Multiplied across a standard month, it expands to $640. Over 12 months, this scales to $7,680. By maintaining this consistent weekend schedule for 1 year, this individual covers nearly 8% of the distance to a 6-figure net worth. However, this extra income triggers a dangerous behavioral hazard, lifestyle creep. When someone makes an extra $600 a month, they immediately upgrade their lifestyle by financing a new sports car or buying designer clothes. Allowing this behavioral shift effectively zeroes out your new mathematical gains. If social pressure and impulse buying absorb the profits, you are doing that extra weekend labor for absolutely nothing. To protect the math, you must set up an automated system that diverts every penny of that side hustle income directly into a broad market index fund or high-yield savings account before it ever touches your primary checking account. The survival of this extra money relies entirely on isolating it from human impulse and locking it safely inside an investment vehicle. Once that money is invested, you can use the rule of 72 to calculate exactly how quickly your capital will double. Dividing 72 by a 7% return, your money doubles in 10 years. Apply this. Your initial $7,680 grows to $14,000. In another 10 years, it reaches $28,000 without ever touching a pressure washer again. The specific job you choose to get this initial capital is irrelevant. You could walk dogs, sell old games, or fix broken phones. The main objective is simply to find a low-barrier method to generate several $1,000s in annual surplus, providing the raw fuel needed for the compounding process to take over. Building a 6-figure net worth does not require a stroke of genius. It requires the simple discipline of adding an extra mathematical variable, banking the profits, and letting exponential math do the heavy lifting.